Beacon4213, and I got sound effects on my iPod and stuff like sound effects. So I'm gonna do them. Oh, holy crap! And that was one of them, I guess. That was the sound of falling. But so here's one, which is Boo. And this is Clap. This is Dog. This is a horn. Siren. Whistle. This is Burp. This is Kiss. This is Raspberry, which means fart. This is Scream. This is Laugh. This is Unwell. I don't know what that means. This is a gun. This is a grenade. A punch. This is a whip. This is an arrow. This is a zap. This is a yodel. This is a door. A toilet. And the last one is custom. I made this one. So, tell me which one's your favorite, and yeah. So, yeah, and tell me which one's your favorite. So, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. So, bye. And if you want me to get, like, any more apps and show you what they are, or any more sound effects or something, just comment. And also comment and tell me what was your favorite. So, thanks for watching, and bye.